Hi, I'm gonna give you a tutorial for the intro and pretty much the whole song of Songbird by Jillian. Okay, if you can see this, it's a G. It's pretty basic, and the low E string, and then if you can see, you move your pointer finger to the second fret off the capo. You do the same strings. Then you go to a C, and then you hit the high E string. So it sounds like this. And that's pretty much like the whole song. But you skip the second string. You go that probably didn't help at all, but I tried.